Hey, bitch, remember me? It's Keisha Fabo.
Yes, I remember you. What the fuck do you want? I don't want to talk to you right now. I told you to get up out my house. I don't want to see you.
Well, basically, I know that we had that argument yesterday, and I felt very bad. And I know that we had that altercation and differences of opinions and all. And so I figured that it would be very mature of me if I came in front of your face and apologized. So I had wrote this song just for you, and it go like this. Diltrice, you's a stupid fucking hoe. Diltrice, you need to take your ass home. Diltrice, more like fucking Del Taco. El Pollo Loco, you's a fucking chicken head.
Oh my god,
I got you good, you stupid hoe.
oh my god, I cannot believe that you just said it to me. Hold my earring, girl, hold my earring. I'm gonna beat this bitch's ass with her own shoes, cause I know she bought them shits from Payless, that stupid bitch asshole.
Oh my god, Brequanda, you remember that stupid bitch named Diltrice from yesterday? Well, basically, I was walking my ass outside in the park, and I had run up into that stupid bitch, so I talked to her that I was gonna wanna apologize, but instead, I called her ass a chicken head.
Oh, and I know that's for true because I had seen her yesterday in the back alley bobbing for apples, and let me tell you, it was not Halloween, and that was not an apple. It was a man's penis.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, and I know, and she just kept bobbing and bobbing and bobbing and bobbing and bobbing, cause she ain't nothing but a stupid motherfucking bobble head. And I was like, damn, that dick must be small because she ain't even choking or gagging on it or nothing. And there is very little things that I hate more than a man with a very little dick.
Ooh, yes, I'm feeling that. My number one rule is if I can reach the base, get that dick out my face.
Yes, God. There is two things in life that I don't want to break, and that's a sweat and that's a nail. But I don't give a fuck if you break my jaw, baby.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
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 Let's go do some hood rat shit, baby.
Ooh, yes, cause can't nobody keep this quiche on a leash.
I got that crib tonight, puss. Yo, Poonetti better make that money. You got that crib tonight, puss. You got that fire, make a nigga wanna cry. I got that crib tonight, puss. Yo, Poonetti better make that money. You got that crib tonight, puss. You got that fire, make a nigga wanna cry.